communication between my left hand and my right foot. So I'm going to set a pulse here, and I'm going to start by doing singles between them and then move to doubles. So doubles. Once that feels comfortable, I'm going to try the same but sextuplets. So if I put those all together, I'm starting with my singles. Once that feels comfortable, we're going to try that with the right hand as well. Give it a go and send me your videos when you're able to achieve it. So quite often we use single strokes in drumming, so like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So bring my right hand down 4. But we can also use that do that using paradiddles, so right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Now you may ask why. Firstly, there's different sounds I can get. So if I do that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and if I move my left hand to the snare drum as ghost notes, 1 and 2 and 3. It's just a different voicing, which makes it sound great. I can switch between two. But if I start mixing paradiddles in there as well, so like a start getting some really interesting grooves. Today we're going to be looking at the Swiss Army triplet, which is together, right, left, together, left, right. We're going to look at how we can change that into a shuffle idea. To start with, what we're going to do, we're going to make it a bit easier. We're just going to take together, right, left. So we're going to do that and we're going to try and get used to it. So together, right, okay, we're going to take that same movement and we're going to put the right hand up on the hi-hat, keep our our left hand on the snare. I'm going to be nice and light with that left hand on the snare. Yes, that feels really comfortable. So what I'm going to do, first time I'm going to play it normally, together, right, left. Second time doing the same, together, right, left. Third time, rather than a light snare drum, I'm going to do a heavy one, an accented snare drum. Together, right, left, and then fourth time back to normal. Together, right, left. So it should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, together, right, left, 3, right, left, 4, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then what I'm going to do is put the bass drum on the 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can just mix it up with the bass drum. Put it on the 1, put it on the 1 and the 2, the 1, 2 and the 4, whatever.